Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn the usage of Naku and Nannu in Telugu. Both Naku and Nannu are used as objects in Telugu. Both Naku and Nannu mean me in English. However, Naku is used when you have to refer something that belongs to you, whereas Nannu is used when we are referring to ourselves. We can differentiate Naku by adding to or for to me, that is, to me or for me, whereas Nannu is just me. Below are some example sentences to know the differences. Amma nannu pilichindi. Amma nannu pilichindi. Mother called me. The question for the above answer is Amma evarini pilchindi. Whom did mother call? Amma naku ee vishayam cheppindi. Mother told this matter to me. Amma evariki ee vishayam cheppindi. To whom did the mother tell this matter? If you observe the above sentences, you can notice that Nannu is used like me in English, whereas Naku is addition of some prepositions like for or to. Here, to me. It even can remain as I in some situations where it is used as the subject. Observe the following examples. Naku ee vishayam teliyadu. I don't know this matter. Nannu ee vishayam gurinchi adagavoddu. Don't ask me about this matter.